Hello everybody, how are you? Here to take you through the full FTX watch list, just looking for cradle trades. And yeah, let's have a look and see what is happening. Let's have a look. For those of you who are just on live trading floor, this is very different. If you have not opened an account with FTX yet, FTX is a fabulous platform to trade with. So have a look. Cool. So as I go through, good morning, Donna. How are you? So go through this list. I can tell you right now, I'm looking for trend on the daily and trend on the 4. And there is trend on the day. Excuse me, there is trend on the daily and the 4-hour charts. But it's just very messy. It's very sticky. It's not a market I really want to be trading in right now. Good morning, CF. How are you? And so I'm being cautious. I told this to our VIP live trading floor members this morning. If you can trade a market like this, you will be a consistent and you'll be a consistently profitable trader if you can trade a market like this and be profitable. But as I go through this list, we have price in a sustained downtrend. Good, CF? Good. How are you, Donna? And I'm just wary that this type of market, there's no defined direction. A week ago there was defined direction. We took some longs, they worked out. A week or two before that there was defined direction. We took some shorts, they worked out. And so on and so forth. But we're just not seeing that. I'm not seeing that in this market yet. Nice pullback into resistance here, Luna. No cradle trade there for us. But yeah, nice one. Just pulling back very nicely. Questions you should ask yourself, I guess, would be like, when you saw that market run up a day or two ago, any projects you did want to buy? That you were feeling a bit FOMO-y? It's alright to feel a bit of fear of missing out. It's a basic human emotion. So again, going through this list, I'll open up the list on the side here, guys. Oh. Sorry guys, had the wrong list up. So again, going through this list, just looking to see, sorry, that first list I was going through was the wrong one. This is the right one. Just going through to see if, if we see some of these cradle trades setting up. Just to see what is there. We have a little bit of trend. But nothing I'm willing to raise orders on yet. Just going through, just looking for cradle trades. Again, very messy in some of these zones. I'm looking for trend on the 4, trend on the daily, and cradle trades that could be setting up in those zones. Going through, Bancor no, Bobber no, and just I'm able to scan so quickly, because I'm just looking at the daily and the 4. So what I was saying is, a couple of weeks ago a week or two ago, we raised a long, ran on. Not the last trade we raised was a stop out, but the one before, the market was trending nicely. We trended to the long side. It was good. Before that, it was trending to the short side. We got the move. We're just riding these waves. And right now, those waves today, for today's session so far, these waves just aren't there yet. So I'm certainly acting with caution. as I look through the market. For those of you in our community, like Donna, shout out to Donna. I did just post my watch list up in the Slack community. Couple of flat levels there to watch on the lower time frames. I probably won't be taking any of those flat levels just because the 4 is not in agreement. So I like having nice trending charts in agreement across the board. Yes, some of these are trending on the lowers, like on the 4. They're getting very, not like popping in and popping out, popping in, popping out. Not getting that bouncing ball effect where we go boom, like here, like boom, boom, boom. We're just straight down. Not seeing that. Wanting to see that bouncing ball effect. Cobb, kilo. A few nice flat levels still forming there on the 4, but we've still got a lot of work to do. If you're in our community, you know what I'm talking about, like Donna. Terra, pulling into a nice level there. There is a small bullish candle there, but that daily trend is not for me. And again, I'm really thinking this market could go, sorry guys, let me just come off my computer. This market could go anywhere. We could go to the upside or the downside. And if you don't think that's constructive, it's a very important sign to know when to trade, to know when not to trade, if you can trade these conditions, and if you can trade them consistently and turn a profit. That's when you know you found a real sweet spot. It's one of those flat levels, guys, which I posted in the community. They're shaping up very nicely. Like I said, I won't be taking them because the 4 hours not in agreement, but sure will be shaping up nicely. Ontology. No. Oxygen. Pax. Again, got those flat levels forming on the 4, but they're just getting a bit sticky. What do I mean by sticky? In terms of cradle trade, sticky's like we don't have that bouncing ball effect coming down. Cyclicity is key. Yeah, the reason I can scan these so well is because you can just clearly see good trades for cradles. It's when they dip in and out of those moving averages. And don't know how to get 2 screens up on FTX. This icon here, select layout. Select the layout of your screens there. Then you can sync all your drawings using these icons down here. So everything's synced up, like your cursors and drawings and everything like that. Again, going through, so I'm like pretty calm as well. I'm not in a rush to raise any orders. I'm not in a rush to make any money today. I'm in a rush to, I'm never in a rush when it comes to trading. I am, however, ready to take, just take good trades, but also listen to what the market's telling me. Yeah, CF, I am on TradingView. Oh, Donna, you found it, Donna? Perfect. Where are you from, CF? Nice pullback into a major level there on waves. But again, nothing to work with today. Still like no, WA, nice, mate. Nice, very nice. Nice flat level forming there on the 1. Donna. People like Donna know in our community, you know what we do with those flat levels. You wait for breakouts for our breakout strategy. But right now, again, just looking at cradles. Mandura. It's to the north, isn't it? Mate, I'm on the Central Coast in New South Wales. I used to do a lot of work in WA though. Before I made the transition to full-time trading, I actually worked as a geologist, exploration geologist. So I worked heaps around WA. Zcash. Oh, south of Perth. Nice. 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 Zcash. Oh, nice, mate. Yep. There you go, I used to do FIFO as well. Sorry. Nice, yeah, I used to do FIFO and mining as well. Zilica. What type of work do you do on the mines, mate? So another flat level here. Let's see, Donna. Donna already knows about this. Another flat level here. If you're in our community, you know what to do with it. I might actually put that in our red list, guys, for our community. Something else to keep an eye on. If we do see downside building into the market, I wouldn't mind having some... Oh, cool, mate. Awesome. I wouldn't mind having some breakout levels to the short side. So if you're in our community, you know what those are. But if we do see further buying, some breakout levels to the upside. So I wouldn't mind having those options around. So out of that scan for our YouTube channel, so which are just cradle trades, what have we found? There's a nice trend. This is probably like maybe the better trend I found on Ampleforth. And because we do have a bit of a significant level running through here. And you know, if we get a little bearish candle in there, we have trend supporting on the 8, on the 12, and on the 16. So, you know, that might not be such a bad option if we get a little bearish candle in there. Looks pretty good. Apart from that, guys, nothing else that I'm willing to pull the trigger on. Nothing else that I'm willing to put in my watch list yet. If you do like this YouTube channel, please like and subscribe. CF, if you're interested in our courses or you want to chat on the phone or you're interested in joining our community or something, just go to our website, which is which is TRADERCOBB.com. It's in our YouTube description. Just jump on the live chat. Thank you, Donna. Thank you, CF, for tuning in, and everyone else. I hope you're all well. Happy Friday. And let's get after it and see if we can make some money today. See you guys.